welcome to this short tutorial on Simi new song Love For Me. This is a absolute beginner take on this, and there are definitely more chords you can add for the advanced level, but this is just a beginner. I'm going to be using 4 chords for this tutorial. I will be using D major, and then I'll also be using B minor, and then I use the E minor, and then I'll use the A major. So I'm also playing the key of D as well, as you can tell. So yeah, once again, that's just D major, B minor, E minor, A major, right? And of course I'll be playing an inversion of that to minimize the movement. So I will be playing D major, B minor, and then E major, E minor, and then the A major. So I don't have to move around as much. And on the left hand, I'm gonna have my on the left side I'm gonna have my bass. Right, and then on the right hand I'm going to have a jazz guitar. So like, so if you combine those, on the left I have my bass, and then I have my jazz guitar. So it's just something like, so, and then lastly what we're gonna do is just apply it to the song. Let's just take that. So it just follow like D major, So that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.